Okay, if you are in college, then you will probably have your college email ID. And if you are just going to join college, then you will get yours too. Hello everyone, I am Shubhamoy and in this video I am going to tell you guys about the benefits that you can get using your college email ID. If you know about this then great, but if you don't know about this then सुन लो पहले. अपना college email ID use करके you can get so many benefits. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of them. थ्रू योर कॉलेज ईमेल आईडी यू कैन गेट 5 TB ऑफ फ्री गूगल ड्राइव स्टोरेज. मुझे पहले फुटेज का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था, लाइक फुटेज स्टोर करने में मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था, बट आफ्टर आई गॉट 5 TB ऑफ फ्री स्टोरेज फ्रॉम गूगल using my college email ID, it got solved to a certain extent. You can access Microsoft Office 365 for free and get 1 TB of free storage in OneDrive for free as well. And Microsoft 365 एक फ्लैगशिप प्रोडक्ट है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की तरफ से, एंड अगर वो फ्री में मिल जा रहा है तो और क्या चाहिए. Now, one of the best thing that you can get using your college email ID is GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is literally a gold mine for student community. You can be a content creator, graphic designer, वेब डेवलपर, और यू कैन बी एनीथिंग. आपके काम के हिसाब से आपको बहुत सारा चीज, बहुत सारा सर्विसेज आपको फ्री में मिल जाएगा इस गिटहब स्टूडेंट डेवलपर पैक में. यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. कैनवा प्रो कंप्लीटली फ्री में मिल जाता है अपना कॉलेज ईमेल आईडी यूज करके. कैनवा इज अ ग्रेट टूल एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज इट. वट एवर यू सी इन माई वीडियोज, बीट माई थंबनेल, एनिमेशन, transition, I always use Canva for that. By using your college email ID, you can get Zoom video call for free. Usually what happens in Zoom is after 40 minutes, the meeting ends, which is quite frustrating. But your college email ID is going to solve it for you. Premium version of Notion will be completely free if you use your college email ID. And what is Notion? Notion is a productivity app which I feel everyone should use. I use it extensively, be it for my YouTube video ideas, scripting, managing my books. I use Notion for each and everything, to be honest. You can get discounts in tech gear such as laptops and other accessories as well. Apple product may you can get 10% discount by using your student email ID, I mean your college email ID. Not just Apple, you can get discounts in Acer, HP, Lenovo as well. Even in Spotify Premium you can get heavy discount. Spotify ad के बारे में तो हम सभी को पता है कितना फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है. सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा बट Spotify ads कभी नहीं खत्म होगा. So if you are in college or if you are just going to join college, you will be having your college email ID, and with that you can buy Spotify Premium through discount. And even if you don't have a college email ID, if you have a college ID card, then you will get discount in Spotify Premium as well. If you are planning to buy any courses, then Udemy, Coursera will also provide you with discounts if you use your college email ID in their platform. Adobe Creative Cloud, maybe you will get up to 60% discount if you sign in using your college email ID. I think this is a great opportunity for content creators because 60% a discount on Adobe Creative Cloud is really good. Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, जो भी Adobe का products है सभी में you can get up to 60% discount. So all the benefits that I talked about in this video right now, I personally use most of them. So if you have your college email ID, then what are you waiting for? Just go and enroll yourself in all those benefits that I talked about and save lakhs and lakhs of rupees. I will put all the links that I talked about in this video in the description box below. You can go and check that out. With that being said, if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, then please share it with your friends who are in college or who will be joining college. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, it's Shubhamoy signing off.